Hey guys, welcome back to another iPhone 6s Plus tutorial for Android users. These videos are specifically designed for people who've been using Android a lot and have never used an iPhone. So last lesson we talked about putting the SIM card in the phone, charging it, things like that. So today we're actually going to turn on the phone. Okay, a very big step, so that's the on button there. And then we're just going to wait for it to load. Now, depending on how you have been given your phone, it's possible that your phone has already been reset when it's given to you. So if that's the case, it might start off with saying what's your name, things like that. But if your phone has not been reset yet, that will be our first step. So what I'm going to do is just go into my phone and just show you where the reset option is. So that's in settings, and then you go into general settings, and then you go into reset right down the bottom just before shutdown. And then you're going to look at the option erase all content and settings. Erase all content and settings. Okay, so this will hopefully reset your phone back to the original. So it says documents and data are being uploaded. Just erase it now, doesn't matter. Okay, so I've got to enter my passcode again. Erase all media, yep, erase iPhone, erase iPhone. Okay, it's asking for a lot of information, but hopefully if you have already got a phone that has been reset, then you don't need to do any of this. Otherwise, you need the Apple ID of the person who gave you the phone and their password to erase the phone, which is sort of inconvenient. But I'm just going to reset the phone, and now it's going to be reset, and you can see a little scroll bar. Okay, so now the phone has been reset. Hopefully the phone has come to you with the reset already done, but if it hasn't, then that's what you needed to do. So now the phone's being reset and we can continue with using the phone, and I will show you how to set up the phone in tutorial 3. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.